in Perth. I am right now about to try to make something beautiful since last one I did was atrocious. So I'm going to use this orange. I'm going to use this yellow. And I'm also going to make, I need a pink on the strawberry. So I'm going to try out some of Color Obsession's new crazy pink pop. And the thing with neons a lot of times is that something about the granules in them doesn't really like to get mixed into resin very easily. So what you have to do is, see how it's like chalky? That's common with a lot of neon super pigmented powders. So anyways, what you have to do is just make kind of a, not a paste in like resin world, but just like a thick situation. Mix it into alcohol. This is 90 proof, I believe. And that it's just gonna make it easier to mix into your resin in theory. It's been my experience that this works most of the time. And the alcohol isn't supposed to be there to make any like crazy designs or anything like that. It's just to help it mix into the resin a little bit easier. We'll see if it works. When you do this, same math applies. Try to use 10%, even though alcohol is supposed to thin out resin. If you put too much paint in it, it gets like marshmallow fluffy. So, okay, it did work, and there's no little like tadpoles or chunks. I hope I'm in frame. I'm filming solo right now. Okay, so there's that. I'm also gonna use the Stone Coat White and some of this Purple Topaz. It's a gorgeous new color from Color Obsession. It's a tint. I can't get my hand in here to get the thing out. I have been driving the struggle bus today, you guys. If you order a tint from me, then you know that it comes with a little stopper so that it doesn't leak in transit. Ugh. If you have needle nose pliers, that's the way to go to get this bad boy out. Or you can just work it out just like that. It also comes with a pipette, but I don't want to get one dirty. So I'm just using this standard-esque pipette. And the cool thing about these tints is you can change the color depending on how many drops you put in there. I put 3 drops, and it's gonna give me this gorgeous, gorgeous, almost electric, but still deep purple. It's kind of grapey, kind of pinky. Since this is gonna be probably the darkest color in my piece, I added a couple more drops. And look how the colors changed. Even more rich now. Okay, I'm gonna put this up because you break it, you buy. Okay, got my pink, got my purple, got my yellow. What else is in that palette that I really liked? There's Stormy Seas, but I don't know that I want to use that. guess we are gonna make some strawberry. Janice, who is the mastermind behind Color Obsession, showed me this beautiful piece of artwork that was on like a cover of Vogue. And I was like crazy inspired by it. And so I'm working with a whole bunch of colors. That was too much paint, that are outside of my comfort zone, but I think that's healthy to do sometimes. It's healthy to not always fixate on the same colors. If you guys have been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know that I get stuck on, that red is not as pretty as I wanted it to be. I mean, it's a good red, but I wanted something not so cloudy or muted. Let's drop in some Fire Engine Red to give it a little depth. See the color difference? It's a great thing about these pastes is that you can always mix in another color and make it more what you're looking for. Perfect. Get that out of the way. These other colors out of the way. I went ahead and spray painted this base pink, and I'm not sure why, but I knew that this was gonna be these colors, the pinks and the reds and the purples, and so I thought if something doesn't get covered and this shows through, it would still fit with the overall aesthetic of the piece. Know what I'm saying? Wish all of you guys could be here with us. I can't wait to meet all of the people that are coming to our classes during our Australian tour. How crazy is that we're on tour in Australia? Blows my mind. All right. Put some heat on it so everything moves a little more easily. And let's get this party started. I have no idea, because this is way more colors than I usually work with, what I am doing. So I'm just gonna kind of go for it. I have no real design in mind. I'm keeping this yellow kind of separate a little bit because I don't want it to make a funky orange, because I've put this like design orange in there. This is jazzy orange. And the yellow is lemon drop. Maybe I should have had a paste or left the base white so that that paste shows up. We will see though. I don't have any swiping paper. Oh wow. It's a gorgeous pink. You're gonna have to use that more often. And it's not really see-through, which is surprising. Need some swiping paper. This will work. I don't want to swipe into my other colors, so I'm just going to move that. Hey y'all.
Awesome, awesome. I like that you run the compressed air.
Hey.
Oh, you're doing the pink.
Yeah.
Hey.
Is it coming out?
Yeah, it's actually better than I thought it would be. How are y'all doing? How was your flight?
That was good.
Good. Good. Elbows.
Yes, yes,
Wow.
yes. This is awesome, man.
It is.
This is cool. Very pretty. I like their studio. This is all set up good.
It's really good to work in because they have all the awesome lighting,
And these doors open.
like all the way.
Oh, that's cool. That's very cool.
Here she comes, ladies and gentlemen.
I'll let Janice see before I tap you. Thank you. Thank you. It's beautiful.
It is.
The weather
She has like
couldn't be
cases
more
of
perfect.
them. That's great because we were at Bronson's and that
This is
was
my
not.
wife, Catherine.
No.
Catherine,
Hello,
great to see
so
you.
nice to meet you.
Welcome to Perth.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, it's great to have you. Yeah.
Would you guys like a drink or something?
I'm good. Are you? I'm good.
They
Yeah.
picked a new one.
We slept so much
Mini
on the
one.
plane, and I don't usually get that much time to sit and just watch movies, and I feel great. I feel good. Yeah.
About an hour, he's gonna be like,
And we
I'm gonna
had
take a nap.
on Graham. Catherine and I drove from San Francisco, or from Oregon to San
I wasn't
Francisco.
sure
to
how
catch
that
the
pink
first
would
flight.
turn out because this is.
Well, it's 6-7 hours.
Of course, it's
but
with your white.
It was going to be a
I don't
9-hour
even play with any other
So,
whites.
it's a pretty drive anyways, but we got to actually sit and visit for that time, and it was like the best 6 hours in the
It was
last
so great.
6 months.
Yeah,
you know?
no,
So
it was great.
it was a good start to it, and we just celebrated my 40th birthday, so we're kind of like just excited to do this adventure together, you know. So that's why I was like, Mitch, you're getting kicked out of that trip, buddy. It's gonna be really happy. He's like, I get it, man, I get it. So he sends his love and
That's great.
and
Next time, maybe.
yes,
Yeah, we
yes,
could stop.
yes. This is an awesome studio.